Sound designers are responsible for creating and editing audio for films, TV, theater, video games, and other media. They design sound effects, background noise, and atmospheric sounds to enhance the storytelling and overall experience. Using specialist software and recording equipment, they manipulate sound to create realistic environments or unique effects. Sound designers work closely with directors, producers, and other creatives to make sure the audio fits the project's mood and style. Beginners may earn around £18,000 to £25,000 a year, while those with more experience can make between £30,000 and £50,000. Highly skilled sound designers working on major films, TV shows, or high-budget games can earn over £60,000. Many work freelance, so income can change depending on the number and type of projects they take on. There are no set qualifications to become a sound designer, but most start by studying sound engineering, music production, or a related subject at university or college. Some take specialized courses in sound design for film, TV, or games. Practical experience is key, so many start by working on independent projects, student films, or theater productions to build a portfolio. A strong understanding of sound software, creativity, and attention to detail are essential for success in this career.